Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings everyone. My name is Rizal Rizky Kamalihan. Today we are going to compare two electric diagrams. Both of them are electric diagram for an electric guitar. Before we are jumping into the discussion, first I want to make it clear that I'm not an expert in electric guitar or any kind of music instrument. So let's go. So we got our first diagram here. They're using two humbuckers, which is this black spot here. One is for neck pickup and the second is for the bridge pickup. Also we have two volume tuner and two tone tuner, and lastly we have one three-way blade. More for the neck and bridge later. So in the second diagram they're also using two humbuckers, but instead of two, now they're using one volume tuner with a coil split, which you can see here. They're also using just only one tune and one three-way blade. So what is the difference between these two? As you can see clearly, the first diagram are using two volumes and two tones, whilst the first diagram using one volume and one tone. So by that sense, the first diagram are a little bit more complex than the second diagram. But we're talking about design, and there has to be some sort of a meaning of it. So what is the advantage and the disadvantage of it? Let's look at it. The advantage of the first diagram is because the volume and the tune can be configured. Remember, they have two toner, so they can be more configured specifically for different modes. Now let's talk about this one. So in an electric guitar there are three modes: the bridge, the neck, and the combination of both. Now in the first diagram, both the bridge and the neck, volume and toner are separate. Hence, you can configure how you like your volume and your tone level when at bridge mode or at neck mode. And because of that, the other advantage of the first diagram was the configuration are more or less likely to get mixed. Whereas if we see in the second diagram, because they are only using one instead of two, so it means the mode changes when you pull or push the tone. Hence it means you can't put a two separate configuration for volume and tone instantly. But there's also an advantage in the second diagram, which are because it's using only one, so it's less complex, it's more beginner friendly, and because it was only using one, so by means it should be more cheaper. Alright everyone, this is the end of the discussion. Thank you very much for watching, and see you later. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.